Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install a menu mod on the GTA 5 game. Go to Google and paste the link that I left in the description under the video. Then follow it and click on the link. The file with the cheat installation will be downloaded directly. Open the file and click Yes in the window that appears, then the user agreement will load, in which you need to click as shown in the video and click Next. After acceptance, the launcher itself will load in, which you need to press the inject button. The cheat began to load. Next, go to the game and use the cheat.